So first of all, start with the hatred meditation, releasing hatred meditation. And you're going to focus that on you. That's number one. Then number two, I would love for you to also do the mastery level gratitude rhythmic breath work. Like how I use mastery level gratitude rhythmic breath work is I'm really, really sensitive. And sometimes my sensitivity is very painful. It feels like my whole body is burning because I can feel so much stuff out there in the world. And it's like my absolute greatest strength and tool. But when I resist it, it makes it my enemy. And so whatever's going on inside of you, you're resisting it, and then it's making it worse. So in mastery level gratitude, you actually find a way to be grateful for whatever this negative is. And it happens in the second half of that particular meditation. Then the last thing is get into transforming fear into action ASAP and start just unwinding the drunk monkey. It's so important to know that your mind is not your friend. It doesn't care about you. It's not interested in you. It's not interested in your well-being. It's interested in you surviving and having babies. That's it. That's what you can count on your mind for. So even all your plans and your dreams and all these things that are coming out of you, in the end, we can track them back to veins of survival. So you want to start to just put it in the right context. And when you do, then it just becomes easier to deal with it. It's like, when my mind gets a little wacky on me, I just like, oh, I know. It's so bad out there in the world. Drunk monkey, you're so scared. I start to play with it and make fun of it and be silly with it. And it helps to lighten things up.